Hi, I am Nitin Chopra from Grogy.com, the daily online supermarket. Grogy.com is a digital grocery fulfillment solution which is feature loaded to build a sustainable business. Are you a serious entrepreneur interested in creating a long-term and evergreen business? Grogy.com offers low-cost franchise and helps you to build a profitable business in your city. Join us in the journey to create a network of interested budding entrepreneurs in building a successful online grocery business. So today's topic is bookkeeping and accounting. Warren Buffett says accounting is the language of business. Bookkeeping is the recording of business transactions and is part of the process of accounting in business. Transactions include purchases, sales, receipts and payments by an individual person or system. This is a topic that is ignored, but which is one of the most important part of online grocery business. Accounting plays a vital role in running an online grocery business. So what is the objective of bookkeeping and accounting in this business? Let's list and understand them briefly. Systematically record transactions. Transactions are of three basic types. First is cash transactions. They are the most common form of transactions which refer to those that are dealt with cash or online payment. Second is non-cash transactions. They are unrelated to transactions involving cash or online payment. For example, if there is a record of return items by the user. Third is credit transactions. They are deferred cash transactions because payment is promised and completed at a future date. For example, credit transactions on collection of supplied items from the vendors or commissions of delivery agents. Sort and analyzing transactions. This determines to identify what accounts it affects, what type of accounts they are. Apply the rules of debits and credits to these accounts and find the transaction amount to be entered, assessing the financial position. Aid in decision making with financial data. Information from financial statements influences business decisions by providing data that enables you to shift planning and anticipate upcoming cash flow crunches. To get the most from your financial statements, prepare regularly and base them on thorough current information. Filing tax return. Tax return is a document that will contain all the details of your sales, purchases, tax collected on sales, called as output tax, and the tax paid on purchases called input tax. So where is bookkeeping required to keep up the online grocery business? Let's list them and as well understand this in details. The four categorized bookkeeping required to be maintained by an e-grocer are: for consumer order. Every user order cancelled or fulfilled has to be recorded. The recorded details include order number, date and time of order, date of fulfillment, order delivery slot timing, consumer name, address and contact number. Every order has a unique number with date and time of order. The delivery date and time is selected by the consumer. The consumer name, address and contact number is a vital detail shared with the delivery agent. These details are a part of the order particulars. Locality or area of the city from where the order is generated. The address of the consumer shall determine the locality or area of the city from where the order is generated, will decide the nearest vendors, the delivery agent, delivery vehicle and delivery crate number for fulfillment of order. So to record the locality and accordingly split the orders to nearest vendors, assigning the delivery agent and delivery vehicle and allotting crate is a system's task. Order item description, unit, quantity, rate and delivery charges. The detailed user order with item description with unit, quantity, rate and delivery charges are recorded. Promo code applied. The promo code applied by the user are also recorded. Return items, quantity, rate, In case of return to delivery agent on delivery, the returns items are recorded. Fulfilled items, quantity, rate, HSN code and output GST. The item return initiated by the delivery agents leads to invoice generation, and accordingly the records of fulfilled items, quantity, rate, HSN code and output GST is maintained by the system. Payment mode and amount. Payment can be made by cash, by online payment, by wallet, by partial wallet ledger and partially by cash, by partial wallet ledger and partially by online payment, by partial cash and partially by online payment. Hereby, the respective amount is recorded. Wallet ledger adjustment before ordering and after fulfillment or cancellation are recorded. Second is for vendor. As discussed before in our last videos, our system supports multi-vendor attribute, and therefore maintaining records for every vendor is important. The recorded details include supplied items, quantity, rate and input GST. The detailed vendor supplied items with description with unit, quantity, rate and input GST are recorded after settling the return items. Daily detailed order supply amount. The date-wise record of amount of items supplied by the vendors shall be recorded. Payment amount with date and due amount. The date-wise record of payment to the vendor and due amount are recorded. Vendors can access all these orders, collections, sales, accounts and payout from the vendor or partner app. Third is for delivery agent. The fascias of the brand are the delivery agents or pilots. Delivery agents are usually hired on daily wages for minimum number of order fulfillment in additional to commission on the orders above minimum number of order fulfillment. This can be customized by the franchisees. Hereby, the recorded detail includes daily attendance, fulfilled order count. A commission of the delivery agent depends on daily attendance and total number of fulfilled orders. Floating cash. Floating cash is the cash collected by the delivery agent against fulfilled order. Delivery commissions. Delivery commissions breakdown for delivery agents are recorded systematically. Commissions payout with date and due balance. The commissions paid to the delivery agent are recorded date-wise and accordingly dues are updated in the system. Delivery agent can access all these details from the delivery agent or pilot app. Fourth is for tax agencies. As a taxpayer, the e-grocer has to file returns for GST monthly and collectively there are 26 returns in a year to ensure accuracy and completeness. This is a document that will contain all the details of your sales, purchase, output tax and input tax. This is a cumbersome job for the e-grocers. Our system is GST compliant and can generate reports for the GST filing in click of buttons. The bookkeeping is the base of accounting. Accounting starts where the bookkeeping ends and is thus broader in scope than bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is clerical in nature, that is keeping the records of the transactions, whereas accounting requires skills of account and knowledge of various accounting policies. Our system enables the city franchisees to perform payouts from the system for the vendor and the delivery agents, keeping all the records. Reports that can be generated in click of a button for documentation and helping the franchisees for accounting purpose are item-wise details of orders, vendor supply details with return records, delivery details with payment records, transaction ledger with debit and credit entries, item-wise and user-wise invoices, collective sales tax records, cash and online payment records. We are your right business and technology partner who is dedicatedly working on developing an online grocery ecosystem. Become our city franchisee. To know more about our franchise, visit franchise.grocery.com. Give a missed call or WhatsApp at 838909919. Type the message franchisee followed by your name, gender, age and city of interest. We shall call you back in 24 hours. Please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for future notification for fresh videos on this subject. Like and comment on this video if you feel it's helpful. Finally, share it if you want to help others. Meet you in my next video on key monitoring and overall analysis. Goodbye and take care. Bye.